Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sajay Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus Realme X7 Max device. So these are speed tests I'm trying to do after a couple of updates which has been updated in both phones. Let's see after the updates which phone has got what type of speed and what type of RAM management. And both phones are exactly 8GB RAM capabilities. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. And the Realme X7 Pro still did not get the external RAM capabilities, so that's why another thing you should definitely understand. And the Realme X Max has got the external RAM capabilities as well, but still it's not that useful enough, but still I thought of mentioning for you all. And right now I did clear everything from the background, so no applicants running in the background as a RAM management. You can clearly see that. Now let's start the test without wasting any time. Let's see which phone can actually open these games fast and how many games can be there in the background as a RAM management. Dimensity 1000 plus versus Dimensity 1200. So let's see friends, let's start with the first game, which is the Subway Surf 1, 2 and 3. And I'm not including any kind of game space during this time of testing. There's no game space added at this moment, nothing at all, because if you try to add the game space, that will clear the background data. That's the reason I did not add them. So let's see which one is very fast. I think Realme X7 Pro is slightly faster, it feels. Realme X7 Max did open this game fast, not an issue. Next is a Temple Run. Is a Temple Run game, so which is slightly taking some time in the Realme X7 Pro a little bit, but not much. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, the Temple Run game. Sometimes usually it's not like this. And let's see the Smash It game. Let's see this game, Smash It. And all these games are completely offline games and very small games. You can see the Realme X7 Pro was able to open this game slightly faster. So completely small games and offline friends, so there's not much complicated games. So it should be kind of very easy between both phones. And first phone to open Crossy Roads is both phones, no problem. And the main reason why I included small games, because to check the RAM management, how efficient and how good is the RAM management, which phone can actually keep more games in the background in the RAM management. That is another main motive of me testing in this way. And first phone to open this Ilcam Racing is both phones. And next is Angry Birds 2. Let's see this game, Angry Birds 2, which phone can actually open fast. Angry Birds 2 requires some kind of internet connection, I think, for the first time, maybe. And I'll try to keep these games in the background RAM management. And let's open. Finally, the 10th game has been opened successfully. And only in terms of the speed, sometimes both phones are slightly close, and sometimes the Realme X7 Max is faster, sometimes the Realme X7 Pro is faster. So it's kind of very equal situation at this moment. And as you can see clearly, all the 10 games are completely open in both phones. You can clearly see here all the 10 games completely open. Now let me try to open from the last game. So let's start from the last game. Let's see how many games will be open in both phones in terms of the RAM management. And in terms of the speed test, nothing much huge difference in the speed test, but there can be some kind of difference between the RAM management. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. Crossy Roads, and no problem. Next is a Smash It. Let me do open from the RAM management Smash It game. So let's open this. Let's see which phone can actually store. So usually the 5 games should not be any kind of issues. Yes, 5 games is not a big deal, but the 6th game sometimes may cause a problem. Let's see 1, 2 and 3. Boom. The Realme X7 Pro was able to keep this game in the background RAM management, and this Realme X7 Pro I'm using for months. It's been, I think, more than close to 7 to 8 months after usage with the Realme X7 Pro. And let's see the Temple Run, whether Temple Run can be there or not. So I don't think Temple Run can be there, but let's see 1, 2 and 3. Boom. Wow, that's kind of good to see. Again, as you can see, when this is a Realme phone, 7 games were there in the background RAM management. 7 games in the Realme X7 Pro. Realme X7 Pro, Dimensity 1000 plus chipset without external RAM capabilities. 7 games. Now let me try to open the gateway. This game, Gateway 2. This game, no, not there in both phones. Not a big deal. But overall, 7 games were there in the Realme X7 Pro. That's kind of slightly advantage at this moment. And both phones I did install a lot of applications. As you can see, so many applications installed even in the Realme X7 Pro as well. A lot of applications. You can see so many applications and games. So this is not the new mobile phone. The Realme X7 Pro is not a new phone. It's kind of really old phone. So this is a quick speed test and the RAM management test comparison. The Realme X7 Pro was able to deliver slightly kind of better in terms of the RAM management by storing 7 games in the background, where the Realme X7 Max stored up to 5 games. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.